Welcome to the Dintalks Channel. Today Dintalks Channel has come up with new videos, and that's his 5 best desktop computers you can buy. The link of the products also giving in the description box. Please like, comment, and share. Also, press the bell icon for features update. The first one on the list, Lenovo IdeaCentre. The IdeaCentre AIO 3i delivers blazing performance on even the heaviest workloads, thanks to its up to Intel Core i3 1115 G4 processor, 8GB DDR4 RAM, and 256GB solid-state disk storage. This slim and compact all-in-one computer has a stand for your mobile phone, and the sleek design hides a camera with up to 5M clarity to make video conferencing more real and enjoyable, wireless keyboard and mouse included with a 3-sided thin and narrow bezel design. Windows 11 PC streams sharp and true-to-life audio over two 3W stereo speakers. The second one on the list, HP 24-inch all-in-one desktop computer. Windows 10 Home do great things confidently with the familiar feel of Windows, only better. Fast processor, AMD Athlon Silver 3050U processor, dual-core, 2.30 GHz. Memory and internal storage 8GB DDR4 2400 SRAM. Upgradable to 16GB, 256GB PCIe and NVMe M.2 solid-state drive. Environmentally conscious, low halogen, mercury-free display backlights, arsenic-free display glass. WLED backlit 3-sided micro-edge monitor. The third one on the list, Dell Inspiron. 1TB SSD, 32GB RAM Extreme, Intel 10th Gen Core i7 processor turbo boost to 4.90 GHz, 32GB RAM, 1TB SSD, touchscreen Full HD PC desktop computer. With an Infinity Edge FHD display and an 8mm border, this 27-inch Full HD display looks incredible from nearly every angle. The sleek silver color option offers 2 choices of stands to match, arch or A-frame. The arch stand is an easel-like stand coupled with forward-facing silver mesh speakers to enhance your audio experience. With the A-frame stand, your display rests on dual triangular bases. A-frame is paired with forward-facing speakers in a matching mesh. The fourth one on the list, Acer Aspire Slim Premium. Stunning, this premium AIO PC pairs unmatched speed with Windows 10 Pro for daily productivity. Enjoy the crisp colors that this cool Full HD PC delivers. It features an Intel Core i7 processor, NVIDIA GeForce MX 330 graphics, breaking the boundaries of performance with the Intel Core i7 1165 G7 processor, up to 4.7 GHz, 4 cores, 8 threads, 12 MB Intel Smart Cache, NVIDIA GeForce MX 330 with 2 GB of dedicated. The last one on the list, MSI Modern M241. Intel Core i5 1135 G7, 8 GB RAM, 512 GB. It eliminates flickering and effectively reduces eye fatigue caused by prolonged screen time while enhancing productivity at home or in the office. Technology: Modern AM241 series can also be used as a monitor without booting up its system. When devices are connected to the HDMI in port, the screen will be turned on immediately. And that's all for today's video. Links of the products is given in the description box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.